If Photoshop keeps showing an update error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the update working again. This is especially helpful if Adobe Creative Cloud keeps failing, freezing, or throwing strange installation errors. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. In the top corner, click your profile icon, then choose Sign Out. After that, sign back in with the same Adobe account and check whether the Photoshop update appears again. Sometimes, a simple sign out and sign in refreshes the connection and fixes the error immediately. If that does not solve it, the next thing to do is close any conflicting Adobe processes running in the background. On Windows, open Task Manager. On Mac, open Activity Monitor. Look for anything related to Adobe, especially Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, CCX Process, and IPC Broker. End those tasks completely, then go back to Creative Cloud and try the update again. Background processes can sometimes get stuck and block the installer from working properly. Next, on Windows, try running Creative Cloud as administrator. Right-click the Creative Cloud icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app extra permission to write files and complete the update without being blocked by system restrictions. If Photoshop is still not updating, check your available storage space. Make sure your main drive, usually the C drive, has at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space. Adobe updates need room to download, unpack, and install temporary files, so low disk space can cause update errors even when everything else looks fine. Now let's move on to one of the most common fixes for extraction errors like exit 127. Open your C drive and look for a folder called adobeTemp. If you see it, delete the entire folder. Hidden temporary files inside that folder can become corrupted and interfere with Photoshop installation files. So clearing it out often solves the problem right away. If the update still fails, your antivirus or ransomware protection may be blocking Adobe from writing files correctly. Features like controlled folder access in Windows Defender or real-time protection in third-party antivirus apps can silently stop Photoshop updates. Temporarily disable your antivirus protection for about 30 minutes, try the update again, and then turn protection back on right after it finishes. This step is important because security software can sometimes mistake legitimate Adobe files for suspicious activity. If none of those fixes work, the issue may be deeper inside Creative Cloud itself. In that case, download and run the Adobe CC Cleaner tool. This tool removes damaged installation data, corrupted caches, and broken update components that may be preventing Photoshop from installing correctly. After using the Cleaner tool, reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app, sign back in, and attempt the Photoshop update again. In many cases, this completely resets the problem and gives you a clean path to update without errors. So, to quickly recap, if you get a Photoshop update error, start by signing out and back into Creative Cloud, close all Adobe background processes, run the app as administrator, free up disk space, delete the adobeTemp folder, check your antivirus and ransomware protection, and if needed, use the Adobe CC Cleaner tool and reinstall Creative Cloud. These steps fix most Photoshop update issues for both Windows and Mac users. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific Adobe error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.